After the medical history and needs assessment, you'll be taken into a soundproof room to begin your hearing examination. Earphones will be placed on or in your ear. Different tones will be presented at different frequencies to see how well you hear across the frequency range for understanding speech. You'll also have different words presented at different volume levels to see how well you hear speech. And finally, you'll be given a speech and noise test to see how well you understand speech in noisy environments.